What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the real estate market and the stock market after the Rona ended. Now, that's at least what we thought, but it's still around, the illness is still there, and after all these protests and rallies, it's actually showing some higher numbers, and there's so much fear going on in the markets right now. Again, uncertainty, and as we know, when there's uncertainty, there's chaos. So stick around this video to hear what I think and what I see happening to the market today. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Karam Khalil. I'm a real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas, and I'm giving you updates on the real estate market and on business finance in general. What we have going on right now in the economy is crazy, is fearful, and is making so many people on their tiptoes. Literally every single day. Millions of dollars are being made and millions of dollars are being lost. The crazy thing is the stock market is moving so much. It is extremely volatile, and literally you'll see a stock go from being 20 bucks to 40 bucks in the same day. You got Hertz that's filing bankruptcy, and then out of nowhere doing some miraculous things, saying that they can now sell their shares, are jumped up 50% or 100%, going from 88 cents to $5, almost 500% more. Now, what I want to start off with is the real estate market. That's what I do. I don't do that just once a year or every single couple of years, buy me a property or two to build up my rental portfolio. I do this every single day. I live it. I do it for clients, I do it for myself, I do it for family, I do it for everybody. I love real estate, and I see what's going on with real estate, and what's going on with real estate right now is kind of sketchy. So many deals fall through, but so many deals go through. Demand is still there, but demand is not there. It's like a balance of 50-50. Nobody knows what's happening. Some people want to make the move, others don't want to make the move. The big time traders, the big time people in the world are saying don't make a move because the market's going to crash. Other people who are big time as well are saying make the move because the market's not going to crash. And in fact, it already crashed, but we're recovering now from it. And the recession already finished, and the recession was 2 months ago. There's so much going around, guys. If you want news for good, you can find it on Google. If you want news for bad, you can find it on Google. Your job is to find that source that you trust, that you like, and that you follow, and that you just flow with them throughout the entire time. The real estate market right now, in my opinion, if you find good deals, move forward with them. Don't just keep waiting, expecting the market to tank. That's if you find good deals, though. There's people right now who are still purchasing real estate, not getting good deals. They're getting retail prices. They're getting prices that were before the virus, and that's not a smart move to make. Now, if you're buying things like your investments, you have to make sure you're getting deals. But if you're buying primary residence, like something you want to live in, you want great deals. But at the same time, if you're not looking to sell it anytime soon, if the market does dip, eventually it'll come back up. But if you have time to be patient, be patient. Right now, the real estate world is sketchy, from commercial to residential. You don't know what move to make because everything is all over the place. Uncertainty is everywhere. So right now, if you're like, should I buy or should I not buy? Should I get this investment or should I not get this investment? It boils down to you. What's your money looking like and how do you want to spend it? If you find it as a deal, go for it. Don't be scared and don't be waiting because you could be on the sidelines for years. Nobody knows. It's literally like when the market's about to crash, the feds just start printing money. They go pop up their 10,000 printers and boom, they just start printing all the money out and all the money's back and the economy's back up. But you gotta think of it. $8 trillion, $9 trillion, $10 trillion, just raising their debt every single week, just trying to make the economy pick back up. Eventually someone's gonna pay for it. Might be you, might be me, might be all of us, but something's gotta happen. There's news going around that there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff happening that a lot of the people in front of the scenes don't know, meaning me and you, the average people. But there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff going that could lead to some people saying 2008 and worse. So right now, for the real estate market, I'd be making sure I'm finding some hell of a deals. I would not stop my life, but I would make sure I'm getting myself a great deal. Now, the stock market. What do we got in the stock market? The stock market is this. You wake up, it's 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, you open the stock market, it's all red. The entire thing is a sea of red stocks, meaning everything is just shooting down. The market's about to crash, everyone starts panicking, and then at 1-2 p.m., it's skyrocketing up and everybody's running. They're scared that they're gonna miss out, FOMO, fear of missing out. They're all jumping in the stocks and they're making sure that they don't miss out. In the morning, it was red. Everyone was chewing their nails and everyone was scared. At 1-2 p.m., it's shooting up. Everybody's scared that they now miss out. Those who were in negative, losing money in the morning, are now in positive. But the problem with them is they're like, oh, if it's going up now, it's gonna go up more. So I'm not gonna take my $1,000 profit, my $50,000 profit, my $100,000 profit. I believe it's gonna go up more. And then they wait, and then the day ends. Then the next morning, the market crashes again, and then it picks back up. Or it picks up, and then it picks up the next day, and then it crashes the next day after that. It's sketchy, it's weird. It's all, looks like a bubble just being inflated, literally. Every day it's up, and every day it's down. Every day it's up, and every day it's down. You can't even predict what's happening right now. Even the biggest traders are just sitting there like, what the hell's going on? But I'm seeing a lot of people make money, guys, to be honest with you, in the stock market. Opportunity for day traders is there, because if you're consistently watching the market and you're seeing a certain stock going up and going down in the same exact movement week after week, maybe you should buy it when it's going up, and then you should short it when it's going down, and just play the graphs. It's always tough to time it, but if you're not greedy, if you're smart and not greedy, you'll make a lot of money and you'll make a killing. So the real estate market is sketchy. The stock market is sketchy. Everything is sketchy right now, really. There's nothing not sketchy. So my advice to everybody, this is just for entertainment purposes, by the way. I'm not giving any legal, CPA, financial, none of that advice. This is just my opinion on right now. And my advice for everybody, for myself actually, I'm not gonna say everybody, is if you find a deal, get it. If you don't find a deal, don't get it. If you're investing in the stock market, be careful. Put what you can afford to lose and not what you can't afford to lose, because if you spend too much money, get yourself in debt, you're gonna go from buying a Lambo to buying a bicycle, going from being able to go to Texas de Brazil to having to eat at McDonald's. And if you don't know what Texas de Brazil is, then you're missing out. Big difference. Anyways, that's my roundup for the real estate market and the stock market. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. More to come every single week. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for every single week content on real estate, business, and finance. And most importantly, like the video if you got any value. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.